This is the number one mistake you guys are going to make. The biggest mistake most people make in their recruitment companies is not understanding which job is good and which job is bad. How do you understand what's a good job? You have to ask tough questions. What are some of those tough questions? Let's go through them. How long have you been looking? How long have you been looking for someone? If this company has been looking for someone for 6 months, alarm bells are ringing. Why have they been looking for 6 months? This doesn't make sense. How am I now going to make money with them? Are you using other agencies? Okay. If they are using 3 other recruitment agencies, what is the chances of you making money with them? If they're using 4 other recruitment agencies, then they shouldn't be at number 1 in terms of priority. Ask them this question. This question will change the game. If I get the right candidate, when can you interview? If I can get the right candidate for you, when are you available for interviews? This is sort of figuring out how serious this company is. Out of 10 companies, I'm going to say at least 7 of them are going to say something about this which is not the answer that you want. This will help you prioritize from 1 to 10 to which company you should be working on.